What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gun Talk with Tiffany. I have some cheap deals that I want to share with you. Let's go to the desk and I'll show you what I got. Now, when I first started YouTube, there wasn't all of this controversy about guns. I remember years ago, this Train and Defend was on clearance with the 40 caliber, and this time 9mm. And these right here, the D is for Defend, so these are jacketed hollow points, and these are Train, and these are just your regular FMJs. So, and let me show you my receipt. So for these right here have 20 in them. These have 50. So these were $9 each, and these were $7 each. That is such a good deal. Check that out. All right, I'm going to give you barcodes. Pause and screenshot these barcodes. So when you go to Walmart, where I got these from, to find out if they have any, you have the barcode, okay? Y'all, these things were such a good deal. This was all I could find in my area. Just these 4 measly boxes out of like 5 or 6 Walmarts. So I hope you guys can find some of this. I hope you guys can find some. So anyway, happy deal hunting. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye.